Hey, yo, what up, Famous?
I'm over here.
Big up me G's them. Big up me G's them.
It's all about famous.
FamousSosick. Hey, Sean, that's me representing for Famous.
Ding Dong Ravens represent for FamousSosick. Big up yourself, yo.
Come back and watch a vlog right now.
Yeah, yeah, me laugh to success. People, check them out now. And the maddest people, them. Mad, gas.
So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, right about now, you don't know, it's a new day, so it's a new vlog. Me actually edit a vlog right now, see it there? It's halfway, my computer screen dirty, me know. We got smoke in the building. We can't pronounce it, you have to go say it for them.
Sumiko.
We have Miss Chin in the building. Easier. And we got Mickey in the building. Mickey.
Hi, Papa. Say hi. Hi to the vlog. You're not driving. Come on.
Mickey. I say still. Last time I tell her leave him in the yard and he still bring me back. You never tell me that still, but
yeah, see? Cut it out. Nice shirt, Papa. Why did that look like that?
It no smell like
yeah.
Him hyperallergenic.
Him too hyper, period.
So him no smell the Yorkie, then no Yorkie, Husky. The Husky them no smell. The Husky with Chabas in they have done the him hyperallergenic too. I don't know if I say a word go. But right now we are both going to pick up my cousin and we are going to do road.
Now?
In outside the wheel pan way right now.
Oh God.
So yeah, we are both running up on the road, so.
Okay, mask on.
Oh my God, I want me to close the vlog. Oh, it is 64%. So I edit a vlog, it is 64% right now. So as soon
Let's go right now.
left. Jesus Christ.
Help us.
Wait, man, put on my seatbelt here. Put on my seatbelt.
Watch it rain.
How tell you turn on all it? Wake some girl.
Windshield, man. It's
Yeah.
the windshield.
So we figure out what we gonna do today?
Oh, cook.
Yeah, we are gonna cook, but we never about that guy. You find no park?
Yeah.
We probably go find one park.
Water.
This morning she find one park. Don't they think you water frozy. Make the left here.
I've never been there.
Me I tell you, don't they frozy. What you want? You're not afraid to get
care now? And neither do I.
Whoa, me hold on about my seat. Yo, first of all, let me tell you this. Me and Sumuko we go through whole heap already when we are talking about driving.
And I'm telling you.
We broke down on road already. We caught in our can't tell on this on camera, but we do something illegal. It's sweet, yo. It's sweet, yo. We do something illegal already.
Because I'm remembering. We really did a lot.
Yeah, man, we run the road. So right now we are both going to pick up my cousin.
Yes.
Yo, you're good around there? Me G?
Big up Mario.
No, sitting there, Mario, big up yourself. Alright, the vlog there's 66% right now. Me no want to put it around now, the boy go delete my vlog around there, you know. Vlog girl, this is Mario. Me think me introduce Mario too already on the vlog.
Park. Sorry.
I think one time on the
Sorry.
chicken hot dog.
You put the car in a
God
park.
forgive me. God forgive me.
Alright, Mario, me
Supposed to have a smoke and a drive, brother.
Mario.
daily should do this something, man. Daily should be just a tell the vlog really amount of things we get in now. Memory introduce Mario. Mario, my cousin. Mario Sanka brother.
Big up Sam.
You know what I mean? Sanka the Afghanistan right now fight war. So we can sleep better at night. So we have to big up Sanka, you know what I mean? Although them are going to pull the troops them now. So he will be back over here. He will be back here. Where we are going now? You know where we are going to?
No.
So where are going?
Just on John Street.
So well, if we don't tell a turn, no, just go on here, I'm follow the road.
She know our way back without it.
No, see, we don't know where we are going yet. We probably.
Oh, yeah, we'll get to something first.
No, we are going one park first. We do want to go
We should
see
get the
some
food
water.
first, you know.
Have it in a hot car?
No, and drop it off first. The park is around the corner from my house.
Oh, are they park there we are go? Alright, so.
Next one. But enough far. But we get the food first.
Maro, I hear that, your friend. Your name Mickey. Maro, Mickey, Maro. Oh, what the vlog you for me, Maro? What the computer? Because I never want to give you doggy. I make it in delete it. Once you come back, you go same way. When you go up, so go stand good on back down, say you can way too far now.
Why you panicking?
See pink there, you know?
Stop it.
No, in car though, I know him. I don't know if he's in there. But we just passing car right here, so we are making next left here, so.
You know I always forget.
Yeah, in car that right. Yeah, food
street.
buzzer. Might as well go food buzzer and done. And some curry chicken back we are going to make, you know. You ever make curry chicken back before? We are going to teach you how to make curry chicken back there. Me I tell you what to do, you are going to do everything though.
Yes, I will.
Curry chicken back and we'll probably make what is something they call vegetable white rice. So white rice with vegetable in it and like coconut milk. You ever make that before?
White rice and coconut milk?
With vegetable in it.
Season rice.
No season rice really, because straight we go straight, we go food buzzer. Mara chef, you know, Mara up there, Mara must know if you do all of them something there.
No.
Everybody in a Mara house know how to cook, and me not talk about know how to cook. Me I talk about cook professionally cook.
Put it on the top, in the green?
Professionally cook.
No. Open the top, I'm going to show you. Open it, pour the water in the green.
Oh, you saying?
Mind the laptop, please.
Jesus Christ,
Alright,
mama.
I don't want to be afraid.
And just hold the cup on the bottom or whatever. And make it, yeah.
Watch ya. Boy, look at
Good boy.
hey.
Let's look at those.
Straight.
Straight.
Mara, you have to say good boy if you do it, you know.
That's food.
If you
But
food,
you
yes.
never know. I'm confused. Why you say,
Me, I know
oh?
Bro, and fish they raw. Look at raw part and fish look all. And stand up.
What's that?
Look at fish. Oh, go on, vlog. Wally, go on, vlog.
Talk to them over. Alright, what we gonna make?
Chicken back.
No, I know.
Only if you know the chicken back.
They don't have it.
Yeah, chicken back.
Let's see. Veg? You want me to go look for them? Veg?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, what? Milk. Coconut milk. Mixed vegetable. I'm also find that now. Anyway, I'm gonna go on vlog and chat. Oh, see veggie here? Oh, mix. Oh, this one. There you go. I don't know, I think of the first one we'll find. Bird's eye or Hanover. I like the purple now. So we'll choose by color. Alright. Veggie down. Check. You know what I'm gonna get? It's because I'm a big kid. I'm Mickey Mouse. Alright. And then oh, see famous there. Hello, sir. Hello again, sir. Fine ice cream though.
Fine ice cream.
And veg.
I see you have like a lot.
Yeah.
I see you put on.
Oh!
After that, can't go use them. We have to go switch here. Rookie! Hold on,
Dang, my little side mission.
She get one job and she turn the camera so. Don't blame her. What else you need?
That's
We
okay.
need,
Milk, coconut milk.
we have to find that.
We find that. Cool.
Fine rice, we find chicken bag. You have curry over there?
Probably, but it's better we just get
For what?
rolling right this time. All right, cool. You don't want no snacks? Cause you know my house.
If you want snacks?
Yeah,
You want snacks?
I'm good.
Juice.
Juice, definitely need juice. Juice. What kind of juice? I don't ask these things first, you know. I just walk off. But they don't have no juice. I'll be a soda. Yay. Oh! Alright. Blueberry green tea. Kiwi strawberry. I feel like I want to try something new, but I'm gonna go with the regular 100%. The classic. Right? This better be what I picked up. It says raspberry. Yeah, for sure. This one. Just the one. This is the one. Don't close. Excuse me. Yeah, this one.
Anything that big enough, juice.
Which one you want?
Keep that.
No. Yes. Lemonade. You know I was gonna pick up the lemon flavor, but it said diet on there, and I said nah, that's probably not good. That's why I got this one, the regular. Exactly, this is regular. It's regular. Don't like iced tea?
With raspberry flavor.
Yeah.
You think that tastes good?
Yeah.
You drink it before?
No.
Yo.
That's it. Just get this. Just get this. I'll put this big thing on mine already.
Let's turn everything. Yo, I'll fix it. Yo, more juice for the best one. Come on, we have everything we need now. We'll go for it. I'll link back with you now when we're done at the supermarket.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up with them.